Hey fifth graders, Miss Scarlato here. This is the piano accompaniment for your Solfa singing quiz if your piece is Over the Rainbow, and this works for parts 1 and part 2. So your assignment is to sing the Solfa from 21 until the end of the piece. I'm going to start playing the piano part 2 measures before measure 21. So this is at the top of page 5. So you're going to count 2 measures of rest and then come in on sol for both parts. So here's what the piano introduction sounds like, and you can count in your head 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and sing. Okay, so 2 full measures of rest, and then you come in on measure 21.